guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And in this video basically by that I mean I'm going to show you my home tour, which will be amazing because you'll know where I play my games and stuff. So come on, let's start this tour. So first of all, I want to show you my parents' bedroom, where I sometimes lie on the bed and make a video. Over here, I know there's so much stuff in it, but I try to make it as clean as possible when making a video. So, let's go out to my room here. As you see, I sleep on the top, my sister sleeps down. And sometimes I sit by the window and make this video. Over here, you see the window? I sometimes sit here and make the video. And outside, actually there's a hole there. You know, my parents are sitting there, so I'm not gonna go there now, actually. And I'm gonna make my PS4 videos there. So basically, I'm gonna be uploading one comedy video tomorrow, or maybe if not, I could do it after tomorrow. And the place I'll be sitting for this comedy video will be over here. As you can see, there's a carpet over here, and I'm gonna make the comedy video over here with two of myself. I hope you understood. Okay, however, like, subscribe, and comment in my channel, and please, let me know some suggestions. Actually, my hand is dirty. I don't know what I just came from down. That's why my hair is like this. I rode the bicycle and came. So, okay, however, I'll see you guys later.